Stabilized docking operations or stabilo operations. Rock'n'Roll as they safely carry away the VIP under the Bell 212 in the Medicaid. This is how the Regimental Special Forces carries out operations under pressure.
ඔලකිනවා මේ මොහොතේදී ඒ ලොකුවරයා රැගෙන ඉතා ඉක්මනින් දෝහා කරගෙන සිදු කරන ආකාරය ශ්‍රී ගුවන් හමුදාව සතු ඒ ස්පෙෂලිස්ට් හැකියාව මේ මොහොතේදී ප්‍රදර්ශනය කරන මොහොතේදී ඔබ සියලු දෙනා
Special Forces soldiers by parachute for a long range reconnaissance patrol. They begin their mission at dawn from approximately 1,000 feet, descending rapidly and silently so they are not detected. Their first task is to conduct wide reconnaissance of the enemy area and observe enemy routines and patterns. These are often carried out